Hey guys, I'm Jack from GVS, and right now I'm in the SIBT of 2020. Because of the pandemic of this year, a lot of exhibitions has been canceled. But this is maybe the last one we can attend this year for the smart building technology. So right now I'm in the booth of KNX National Group of China, and this is Mr. Shen, and he's the chief executive group of KNX China. Say hi to yes. So because this year we have the first edition of Guangzhou exhibition has been cancelled, so we are right now in Shanghai, and as you can see, we have altogether 28 companies, KNX members that we are gathering together and having this big show for the smart lighting and light and building technology right here. Together with us, as you can see, we have also our board right here in the best position. That's GVS. As you can see, we have the touch panels, we have the actuators, and everything. And the most important thing for this time is that we have got the back of KNX. And I'll tell you guys what does it mean. Follow me. Okay, so right now, what I mean that we have got the back of KNX Association is that we are exactly at the back of the KNX booth. So basically, we are together as one with the KNX Association. So the next step of my video will give you guys a brief introduction on what we are doing for the smart building technology. So come on. So all these booths we have separated into different areas because I have chosen a less traffic time so that my recording will not be dropped by the flooding in customers. So we have separated the booths into different areas, different functionalities. So basically right here we have the smart building. I'm sorry guys, it's in Chinese, but I would like to give you a brief introduction and a brief concept on what we are doing. So basically, for the smart building, we are having different function blocks. For example, we have a smart lighting control, we have smart environmental control, and we have centralized control platform. And all these modules, as you can see here, we have a multifunctional actuators, we have dimming actuators, we have dolly, we have sensors, we have different sensors and converters to help to realize the smart home functions. And the second block, as you can see, we have got right here is one of the biggest business for KNX around the world. As you can see right now, we have a lot of new traffics or railways being built in China. So we are one of the leader for the real smart lighting solution for real transit. As you can see, this is the solution we have for the Guangzhou metro system. We use the Kinect system, we use the daily lighting, we use push buttons and touch panels to enable the smart functions for all the metro stations in Guangzhou. And the next part is the smart security. As you can see, we have merged both the video intercom and the KNX solution together to realize a smart community. Because in China, we normally have a big communities that will have residents of thousands. It's not like a small community of 20, 30 residents. It's normally like 1,000, 2,000, or maybe 3, 4,000. So basically, the management of each community is very important about security, about the automation of each house and each building. So we have linked the Kinect system from right here with the touch panels right here. We have 4-inch, 5-inch, and 5-inch horizontal ones. And we have also the 10-inch that we can link both the intercom and the Kinect automation together. And then we have all these 7-inch, we have all these 10-inch, 7-inch outdoor station with that face recognition, which is very convenient for our residents of certain community to have easy and fast access to their community and to their home. And the last part, but not the least one, is the smart uh, medical care service that we're offering. So basically, we are having projects going on here in China. So it's more promoted in China less than overseas, as you can see. As you know, there are a lot of restrictions and rules that you have to, or certifications you have to pass to enter the overseas market. As you can see right here, we have a nurse station, which will be put in the nurse station so that you can answer calls from the bed, from the ward, where patient will be lying in the bed. And this is the ward door station, so that in the gallery of whole hospital, the nurse will see that when there is a calling from the ward, so that I see, okay, there is a patient need to be tended to, so that I can go there and I say, okay, I'm here already. Or when it is busy, then I cannot go there. I'll just say, okay, I need a hand. So I'll just call the nurse station, and the nurse station will answer this, and then okay, I'm coming, and then I'll just enter. They will just enter this ward and give the patients their service. And this is a ward entrance station, so that in a ward there may be like 20, 30 rooms for patients, but this area needs a access control so that the patients will not be disturbed. So this is what it will be installed in the entrance of the whole ward. So basically, this is the whole system that we're using for smart medical. And for right now, we have a lot of projects being done, or have already been done, that around in China, all around the world. We have the big projects that have been done in the Imperial Palace, Cultural Digital Access Application Institute. We have participated in the automation of the Daxing International Airport, which has been just released to the public last year. And we have done other projects in China and overseas. For example, we have done a retrofit project in the Grand Hyatt Athens, which is located in Greece. And okay, so our next step is that I'm going to give you a brief introduction on the key or the star products we're promoting this year. So we have a 4-inch touch panel right here. It's purely KNX. It's 100% KNX, 100% ETS. You need no unstandard thing to configure it or to use it. As you can see from right here, we have all basic functions for lighting control, shower control, the fan coil, the HVAC control, and all the other scenarios and things. And we can try to control this curtain, this miniature curtain. And here it goes. Obviously, you can also set a percentage of like how much percentage you would like this curtain to go. And we can come here. Here we have more patients being programmed. That is the lighting, and we can control. For example, the dimming gateway. We can control two temperatures. We can always say we can adjust two color temperatures, and we have one fold and we have two fold dolly, which can control maximum 128 single controls, and we can also control maximum 32 group controls. And of course, I'll show you guys how we are controlling the background music. So we are having this from the Bluetooth. Yeah, we can go to the next song and we can adjust the volume. And come here, we're having all these three panels being shown in this wall. That is, we have the 4-inch, we have the 5-inch. We can adjust. We have all the parameters being set in this panel, and we have also the super slim 10-inch, which is, as you can see, you can zoom the camera right here. It's simply to the wall, and the installation is very standard. We can either use a 86 millimeter wall box, or we can use a double 60 millimeter European standard 60 meter wall box. So you don't need to use a big wall box or special wall box to give this a installation. So as you can see from the page right here, we have a layout. Give me a camera right here. Thank you. We can give this your room a flat plan on, like, I would like to have the lights being adjusted right here, and maybe I have ACs right here. I would like to go into directly from here to adjust or to make changes. And if you don't like the floor plan one, you can go to this. It's just a list of the functions. And about installation, I would like to show you guys how it is installed. So it's a standard 86 box. It fits both 86 box and 60 millimeter wall box. So it has also a magnetic base, so that you don't have to push too much. So we just put it in a little bit, and it's done. The installation is finished. And the most amazing thing is that you never would have to uh, dismantle the device program right here. Give me the camera. Okay. So we go to the parameters and this KNX programming. I just enable this. Then I can download directly the device, the database that we would like to have it have as program. And so that's basically everything we have for this big booth. The pandemic is really getting less effects in China, and we have a very great control on the pandemic spreading. So we would like to say that we hope that the world will recover from the pandemic, and every one of us, we will enjoy our smart lives with KNX and with GVS. Thank you guys, and have a nice day.